Good afternoon, folks, from a very croaky workshop. So just a quick update, and apologies for the background noise again. As you know from previous videos, all the wiring for the horns, the civilian horns, was missing. It had been chopped back up here somewhere on this side and way underneath here, almost at the edge of the harness. So that's all now been reinstated using the factory connectors. So these are a special plug that fits onto the BMW horn. Now I'm sure you could fabricate something generic and pop it in there, but there's no substitute for having the OEM stuff. So this is now back exactly the way it was. See the wiring going in there? That's exactly the way it was back in the day when these rolled out of the factory, obviously minus the soldering. We've also now nipped up all of the front wire connections, so everything is properly zip tied. And you can see it goes across the harness, so in preparation for installing the headlight assembly on the nacelle. So the final piece will just be fixing that little piece of wiring there, which is a zip tie up and underneath, once the instrument cluster comes back from being serviced and having the odometer needle glued back into place. Otherwise everything else is done. So we have sound, which I'll demonstrate in just a moment, and we have horns now, which I'll also demonstrate, plus we've got lights. So basically we're waiting for the odometer and then she's done, and obviously while we're waiting we'll fit off the bodywork and so on and so forth. So next video I'll give you a quick demo of what the sirens sound like, technically speakers, and the horns, and we'll see if we can get it to sing in a couple of different voices by using the horn to change the tone that's being generated. Stay tuned for that vid. Catch you in that one.